Yeah, it's starting to be that time when it turns golden brown. The prep work begins. Get the machine ready. That harvester machine has got to be 50 years old. But hey, it still works and it still gets the job done. I'm with the old lady today, taking that bike ride. And yeah, it's a beautiful day. Not too hot, maybe 90. But yeah, harvest season has just begun. They have pulled some rice. This is just one of the hundreds of rice fields in Hoi An. So they're going to start pulling the rice. They've already pulled it, dried it. They're drying it out on the streets. Yeah, good stuff. In about 2 or 3 weeks, this will all be bare field. I'd love to see the tourists come look at that. Ha ha. Okay.